Okay, it is 2 weeks after I put the nucs into the hive boxes, and I'm about to crack them open for the first time and inspect them. Hopefully add a second box on the top of each hive if they have started filling out the frames. I'll try to get some video, but by myself, so who knows. Alright, I don't know how well you can see that, but we'll give it a shot.
There's bees on the bottom side there.
So they have not started building anything on that frame yet. Outside frame. Nothing on that frame either. This is the third new frame on this side. And they have started building on this one. Let's see if I can... Alright, so they have started building honey. That whole side is built out. Not that side yet. But that whole side is built out with wax. And they're starting to fill it with honey. So the whole rolling at 2 feet does not work. None of the bees know where to go. I have a whole cloud of them flying around back here because none of them could find their home back. So that doesn't work. My waterer over here is not being visited, so I may just move that out of the way here. Okay, so this is the other new frame. So you can see they are building honey cells on this side as well. It looks like they actually have some captors that... No, that's brood over there. So I don't really need to find the queen. They have some brood on this frame all the way out here. And haven't started building on the back side of it yet. Alright, so since I find brood, I'm not going to inspect all the rest of them. I'm just gonna... Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna pull out one frame here in the middle. Alright, so lots of brood on that frame. Tons of brood. Whoops, sorry bee. Lots of brood on that frame. Alright, so I think I will close them up. And since that one just has honey on it, I'm gonna double check that. Yes, that one is just honey, so I'm going to move that frame all the way to the outside. To try to encourage them to build out on it. Alright, so this frame back in there. Just quit breathing the smoke. And I will put a whole new box on the top here. Okay. Alright, so nothing on that frame there. Set that one to the side. Nothing on that frame. Alright, so that frame they have, let's see if I can get it up here. They've started building honey cells. They've got, that's mostly full. So that's good. I'm going to move that one to the outside. Try to encourage them to build out there. Alright, so no activity on that frame yet. This one, they have built half a frame of honey. So again, I'm going to move that one to the outside. Let's pull out this frame here, just to see what's going on that one. So there's a bunch of honey on that side, a bunch of brood on that side. I think we're looking okay. Okay, so that one in there. Scoop these all over. Alright, so they have, looks like both hives. So there are 2 new frames here, 3 new frames here. These 5 are what were in the nuke originally. It looks like each frame has built out basically half of one frame, one side of one frame with honey. So I've moved that one to the outside on each one. I guess that still technically leaves them 1, 2, 3 frames. I don't know if that's enough space or not, but I am going to add an upper box to give them more frames. And we'll leave them alone for a couple weeks and then come back and see what they've done, I guess.